thinking about it, and to me, the road is just, it's never-ending change. It's just every day trying to change ourselves. But what significance does this change really have? And that's kind of transforms itself into a loop.
So then, do you find when you try to get someplace, you just end up back where you started? Is that what you're kind of trying to say?
I think that sometimes change isn't enough for everyone. You know what I mean? Like we all, we're all like, oh, we're gonna change this about ourselves. But then once we make the change, then something else needs to change too. Then this change is just never ending, and then it just turns into a loop.
I feel you, I gotta say. And it's true that this whole, on the road tour, well, I was in LA, and I flew to DC, and we're gonna go on this adventure that started today.
Woo!
Pretty soon I'm gonna be back in LA. Did you say move to LA?
Don't go LA, that's my town.
You're jealous, Omar. Alright, sorry, you have to tell me your name one more time.
I'm Annie.
Annie, can we hear it for Annie, ladies?